Hey guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to answer question on Sendit Snapchat. Let's suppose you have sent a poll to your friend and they answer it. Now you want to re-answer that question. How you can do it? Watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. First of all, you have to open your Sendit application. When you will do it, you will see this type of the interface. So I have recently sent a poll to my friend and now they have responded. So simply you have to click on this message box on that right top. So when you will click on it here, you will see I have one response here. So simply you have to click on it. When you will click on it, you will see a response is here. You have to click on the tab to play to see. Okay. When you will do it, onset is loading now. Now you will see I get erased more now. If you want to re-answer it, simply click a picture and you can write your answer here. In this way, you can answer question on Sendit Snapchat. So this was the process by which you can answer question on Sendit Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.